Hello and welcome welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video in the car. So I'm on my way to the gym and I wanted to talk about the challenges and struggles of going to the gym or starting your fitness journey, but you know, there's a couple things that may be holding you back. And so today I wanted to talk about those things, and these are things that I personally have gone through, and also I asked my sister. Let's do that. The first thing that I wanted to talk about is, what if you don't even have access to the gym but you're trying to get your workout on? So if you don't have access to the gym, maybe look around for classes that maybe are available in your area, or getting dumbbells and like the bands. The other thing too is there's so many resources that we have that we need to make use of, like YouTube has like HIIT workouts, 30-minute workouts, intense workouts, light workouts. Like there's so many, and you just have to use what you have. Don't let that stop you. The other thing too is not feeling motivated. Maybe you are trying to do this for the wrong reason. So finding a reason that feels good to you, that you know you're going to be able to be committed to this, because whenever you think of your reason, you're gonna be like, I have to do this, I have to do this. Something else that could be really helpful is finding a buddy. So maybe a workout buddy, somebody that you can work out, do the same workouts with, but not necessarily. You can just literally drive to the gym with that person, just keep each other accountable. For example, me and my husband, that's what we do. We motivate each other that way. So finding a buddy, I think that's something that could be helpful. Also, my favorite is getting new gym gear or getting new gym clothes. That's always a motivator, isn't it? Like, you go shopping for some cute leggings, for some nice shorts or whatever. Whenever I have some new clothing, I'm just like excited to wear it to the gym, and yeah, I think that's motivating. On those days where you're just like not feeling it, put your gym gear on, put your gym clothes on. Even if you've got to do some homework or whatever, you're already in your gym clothes, so go after you're done doing your homework or whatever to the gym or whatever. I'm saying that. Feeling lost, number 3, is something that I struggled with. Like, I had no idea what the heck to do, so all I did was stick to the cardio machines, and that was it, because that's all I knew. But that wasn't fun for me, you know. So having a plan before you even go to the gym is important. It is the best thing that you could do for yourself, and doing the research at home, so you know you have this plan, and googling those exercises at home, googling the machines that you're going to be using, so that you know exactly how you're supposed to be doing those exercises, what kind of form you need to have. And just like when you see it, it's just easier when you're there. You know, it's easier for when you're there and you're just not like staring at the machine and you're just like, what the hell do I do? And you feel stupid. You know, you're a little bit more prepared. And Google, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, those are all excellent sources to be looking at what you should be doing at the gym and how to do the movement. Something else that maybe holds some women back from going to the gym and doing the workouts they want to do is being afraid of going into the weight room. I think that's something that we all struggle with. I struggled with that. It's just, yeah, there's mostly guys over there, so you know, feeling weird about that, but that's okay. You know, you can start little by little, start working with dumbbells. So you can go get your dumbbells or the easy bars, and just take them to the area where you feel most comfortable. Even if it's not over there, just go get what you need and go to your area of comfort. And I think that might be helpful. And a tip from my sister, she said, take a bag, because when you're carrying those dumbbells over to your area, it's a lot to carry with like your phone and your water. So if you have a bag or something, you can put that there. Or if you have leggings with pockets, you can put your phone and your water there, and then just, well, maybe not your water, but you know what I mean. And then carry the dumbbells with you or the bar with you. So this actually also ties into my next point, feeling judged or feeling like everybody is looking at you. Girl, nobody is looking at you. No one is looking at you. You're not looking at anybody, right? Well, maybe you are, I don't know. But focusing on just what you're doing, what your plan says that you need to be doing, is the best thing that you can do for yourself, because you're just having tunnel vision. It's gonna be the best, because you're focusing on what you're doing. You're not looking at anybody. If you're looking around and you see somebody you know, I know that can make you feel weird. It used to make me feel super weird. That's why I never looked around. I just had like tunnel vision. And it also helped that I can't see from far away. I can see, but it's like blurry. So I couldn't see people's faces anyway. So it just helped me not pay attention to who was around me and thinking about what they were gonna say or what they were gonna think of me or whatever. So definitely do not look around. Focus on yourself. Next thing is wearing a hat. I think wearing a hat is very helpful when you're trying to do the tunnel vision thing. When I've worn hats, like, it just feels good, like you're in your zone. And then also getting some good headphones that are going to be blasting music into your ear. That also, like, it pumps you up at the gym and you just like just ready to go. But anyways, it's a short video. Leave any more challenges below and maybe we can do like a part 2 and talk about those challenges that you are experiencing. I'm gonna go to the gym now. I'm almost there and it's a leg day. Again, last video was also a leg day. But please let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up or not, and subscribe to my channel. I do want to do more videos, so just let me know what you want to see. Bye.